Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can change the hue and saturation for your images, photos, and designs on Photopea.com as a complete beginner, guys, without having any advanced image or photo editing skills whatsoever. So let us get started right away now, shall we? So head over to Photopea.com, and for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to customize and edit that image here. So all you need to do, guys, is left click on the given image or photo here in your list of layers. So we're going to use that image, background image, and what you want to do after that is click on that icon here at the top that looks like, the left half is white and the upper half is black. So click on it, new adjustment layer, and from that drop down menu here, hue and saturation, it is going to open up that window for you. So what you want to do, guys, is simply move that slider here to the left or to the right where it says hue and below saturation to adjust your images hue and saturation. So let me go, for instance, with the hue of a range of like that, or saturation like this. So you may play around with this as much as you like. You may also change the range here from master to red, for instance. So you may experiment with different setups and ranges here with different colors and see how the hue and saturation effect would look like when applied. So that's totally up to you guys. Just play around here with these setups as much as you like. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.